Most affiliate marketers pick one platform and hope it works. I use it too, at the same time sending traffic to the same Amazon affiliate links all at once, Pinterest and YouTube. And last month, those two free traffic sources combined generated $20,372 in Amazon affiliate commissions. Here is why this combination is so powerful, guys. And pay close attention because this is the whole game. Pinterest is search engine platform. People come to Pinterest to discover products and buy them. It's visual, it's evergreen. One pin can send you traffic for 2 years. YouTube is also a search engine platform. People come to YouTube looking for product reviews, tutorials, and ideas. One video can rank and send you commissions for 5 years. When you rank both at the same time, promoting the same Amazon affiliate links, you are not doubling your traffic, you are multiplying it because each platform feeds the other. I have been doing affiliate marketing for over 6 years and I want to be straight with you. This double platform strategy is the most consistent method I have ever used. $20,372 last month, no ads, no face on camera, just Pinterest, YouTube, and the right Amazon affiliate links. In this video, I will show you everything step by step, and let's get started. So this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. This is my commissions last month, as you guys can see. This is summary right here, and this is my bounties over here. Okay. Anyway, so for people who want to start making money with the Amazon affiliate marketing using Pinterest and YouTube and AI, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So it's super easy and simple. Just go to Google, search for Amazon Associate, click on the first link like this. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. It's gonna take you to this page. Click on sign up like this, and here you go. Click on create your Amazon account. And as you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. You just need to follow a few steps and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate or Amazon Affiliate. So this will be your affiliate account dashboard with Amazon. So what you need to do next is you need to create a Pinterest business account that you will use to promote your Amazon affiliate products. Okay, so you will go back to Google and search for Pinterest business account. It's better to use business accounts. Okay, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. They will ask you just a few questions. You just need to follow a few steps and that's it. And if guys, it's better to use business account, not personal account. Okay, once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so this will be, guys, your Pinterest homepage. Okay, what you guys don't know that Pinterest, guys, is getting 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can see that's really a lot of traffic. And also, guys, what like I explained in the beginning, Pinterest is search engine platform. It's not like TikTok, it's not like Instagram. On Pinterest, guys, it doesn't matter if you started with 0 followers. It doesn't matter if you have 5 followers, 10, 20. It doesn't matter. What you need to focus on Pinterest is your SEO. If you create good SEO for your pins, good title, good description, you are promoting product that solve problems for people, you can rank higher on Pinterest and you can get consistent traffic for years. Okay, because it's search engine platform. So anyway, once you finish creating your Pinterest business account, what you will do next is you need to choose a good product that you will start promoting on Pinterest. Okay, pay close attention, please. Go to Amazon, okay, and open amazon.com. Go to Amazon website. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, is you need to choose a good product that you will start promoting on Pinterest, and you need to promote product that has high demand. You need to promote product that people are already paying for on Amazon. Okay, so here is what you will do, guys. I will share with you a profitable niche that you can start working with as beginners. You can click on Amazon search and search for skin care. This niche, guys, is very profitable niche. I'm making a lot of commissions from this niche. Okay, guys, this is a profitable niche. E-commerce sellers, they know this, that beauty products, skincare products, they are very profitable. Okay, So I will show you guys. Okay, let me show you. Search for skincare and scroll down, and here you go. You will find here a lot of products on Amazon, okay, that are getting crazy sales. Look at this one, for example. Over 100k people paid for this one in the past month. Okay, you see, this is the kind of product that you need to promote. Look at this one. Also, over 100k people paid for this one in the past month. Those products, guys, are getting crazy sales. And this is the product that you need to promote as an Amazon affiliate marketers. You cannot keep guessing or choose the product that you like. You will never make any commissions like this. You need to choose product that has high demand. You need to choose product that people are already paying for on Amazon, okay? And you guys can see this is the kind of product you need to promote because they are already working, okay? So you just need to promote, you just need to search. Let me pick one product, guys. As an example, I'm gonna choose like this one. I think this one is really also this one looking good. You guys can see over 100k people paid for this one in the past month. So I will choose this product. I will click on this one. Just click on the product that you want to promote and you will be in this Amazon product page. What you need to do next is you need a video that you will use to promote this product on Pinterest. Okay, pay close attention. Copy the name of this product, okay, like this. Copy the name of this product, and what you will do next, you will go to TikTok. Okay, go and open your TikTok account for free. Click on the search bar of TikTok and search and put the name of the Amazon product that you want to promote, and here you go. You will find here a lot of products, okay, a lot of people, a lot of creators who are sharing their experience with this product, okay, who already used this product, okay. So we need to find, I will choose one. So just pick one video. For example, let me see, we have really a lot of videos here. This one really looking good, guys, okay. Pink prediction got me hooked. Like I will use, guys, for me, I'm gonna choose this one. This video is really good, and as you guys can see, this creator is sharing his experience with this product. He is happy with the result. Look at this, now it's good. So anyway, what you will do for you as an Amazon affiliate marketer, you need to download this video to your laptop. You will double click on the video, click on download video, okay, and download this video to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go back to Pinterest, okay, click on home feed, click on create pin. It's gonna take you to this page. Click over here, and what you will do, upload the video that you download from TikTok like this, okay. You need a title and you need description. So what we will do, we will go back to this Amazon product page. We will copy this title, okay. Let me show you. I will copy this title, and what I will do next is I will start using AI, okay. Here is what you will do. You will go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to turn this Amazon product title into an SEO optimized Pinterest title, and put your product title here, and here you go. ChatGPT, guys, will give you some SEO optimized Pinterest title options designed for high click-through rate, okay, keyword ranking, which is really good. Best for viral reach. This one, you have a lot of titles, so test those titles, see which title is getting clicks, then double what's working and avoid what's not working. You have a lot, okay, and always get back to AI. So because AI will help you a lot. I started using AI in my Amazon affiliate business, and it's scaling fast, okay. It's really scaling fast. When I started this business, AI doesn't exist, and I was making just between $2,000 and $5,000 per month with Amazon affiliates. Once I started using AI, my commissions scaled, my business scaled, okay, and fast, because AI is helping me to create content fast. So you really should start using AI. You should, okay. Anyway, so here you go. You see we have a lot of titles. I will copy, for example, more product focused SEO, problem solution. We have affiliate by intent, best, okay. More products focused SEO, best for viral reach. I will copy the first one, so I will use this title, guys, okay. I will go back to Pinterest and put this title here, okay. So what I need a description. What I will do, I will go back to ChatGPT and ask him, just go to ChatGPT guys and ask him to create a pin SEO optimist description too, and mention that this is an affiliate. It's very important to mention in your pin's description that this is an affiliate, okay? It's very important. And also you need to give credit to the TikTok creator that you are using his videos. Put the name of the TikTok creator here, okay? This one that you are using his videos, okay? This is the method that you can start with as a beginner. Once you start making commissions, then you can go and create your own content, okay? So go back. Let's go back to, let me show you. Go back to Pinterest, and here you go. Here is an SEO optimist Pinterest description with affiliate disclosure plus creator credit. Want that smooth glowing glass skin look, this Korean pink, and here you go. We have a really good description with hashtags, everything. Good SEO optimist Pinterest pin description. Let's go to back to Pinterest and put just this description here, okay? And here you go. And here you go. So what you need to scroll down. You need an affiliate link here. You will go back to this Amazon products page. To get your affiliate link, you need to click here on get link, and here is your Amazon affiliate link. You will copy this link like this and go back to Pinterest and put this link here, okay? Like this. Scroll down, click on choose a board, and you need to create a board. It's very easy and simple. Just click on create a board and you can create as many as you want. Please guys, in each board, promote one specific niche. If you promote different niches in one board, you are not getting any commission. This is wrong. You cannot, your business will not grow, okay? You need to promote in one specific board, one specific niche, okay? I hope it's clear, because a lot of beginners, they are doing this, they are not seeing any commissions, then they say that it's not working. It's working, you are just doing it wrong, okay? You need to promote one specific niche in each board. So I will choose this one, Amazon, and you guys can put here your keyword or your tags, okay? They are not important. What you need to focus on is your title and your description, okay? Scroll down more and click here on add products, okay? You see guys this option, add products. Click on add products, okay? Product tags, you will see this bar, okay? Click on use link, okay? Use a link, and click here on add a product link and put here your Amazon product link, okay? Like this, and just click on enter, and here you go. Pinterest will give you this product that you are promoting, the image of the product, okay? And Pinterest guys, they have this option, affiliate link or sponsor. You need to enable this option, okay? Because you are, so like this, you are mentioning that you are an affiliate marketer, and Pinterest is already, they have already this option, so you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest even without a website. But you should put this one, you should enable this option, okay? Then choose the product that you are promoting. I'm promoting this one. I will click on this product that I'm promoting, the image of this product, and here you go. It's gonna be tagged here, okay? So everything now looks good and safe. This is the correct way to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, okay? Once you finish, you will click here on publish, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. That's guys how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how you can make money with the Amazon affiliate marketing using Pinterest. Now let me show you guys how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on YouTube, okay? Because YouTube guys also has a lot of traffic, okay? So let's go to YouTube. So just go to your YouTube homepage like this, okay? And what you guys don't know, that YouTube also guys is getting 30 billion monthly visitors. Do you guys understand this number? And YouTube guys is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number 1 and YouTube is number 2. And the traffic on YouTube is really high quality traffic, okay? So how we can find product that people will be interested to buy from you on YouTube, okay? Pay close attention. You will click on the search bar of YouTube and ask questions. So let's ask, for example, how to lose. You see, I just typed this question guys, and YouTube give me this topics that people are searching for. How to lose weight, okay? You see? So you just need to type here questions, use the YouTube search bar and type question. You guys can see I typed here how to lose weight, and YouTube give me those topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. You see? People are searching for how to lose weight fast as a teenager, without exercise, fast, fast in 1 day, in 7 days. Those people, this is a report search prediction. This is what people are searching for on YouTube right now. So those people, they have a problem and they want to solve this problem fast. How to lose weight. So what I will do as an Amazon affiliate marketer, I will go back to Amazon. I will search for lose weight or weight loss, okay, product, okay, and they will start promoting like those products. You see, they are getting crazy sales on Amazon, guys. Over 10,000 people paid for this one in the past month. Look at this one. Over 20,000 people paid for this product in the past month. This one, 20,000, 10,000, 5,000. Look, I'm sharing with you what's working right now. Do you see? This is the kind of product that you need to promote. You need to promote product that solve problems for people. That's how you can win, and that's how you can make commissions. Also, guys, this topic is evergreen topic, meaning that this topic, guys, can keep getting views for years, and you will keep getting traffic for years and keep making commissions. This is the best part with YouTube. It's not also like TikTok and Instagram. On YouTube, your videos can keep getting traffic for years, can keep getting traffic for 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. You just need to make evergreen topics that solve problems for people. Include your affiliate links in your video description. You don't need a website. You just need to focus on good SEO, okay? And right now, like I said, you guys have a lot of AI tools that will help you to create content. What helped me to scale my Amazon affiliate marketing fast is AI, okay? I do use AI to create faceless content that I post on YouTube and include my affiliate links in my videos description and upload so much videos every single day. It's all done by AI. I just need to upload and that's it. You can even upload, you can even automate this business by AI, okay? For people who want to take this business seriously and they want to learn more, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and they will send you all the details. I do have an affiliate marketing course that's explaining everything, how you can use AI in your affiliate marketing business to create content, to create good SEO, videos, editing. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to use your voice. It's all done by AI, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. That's exactly how you can make money with the Amazon affiliate program using YouTube and Pinterest, okay? And see you in the next one.